Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for the headphones Sony Buds. You have to start by opening the application. Now scroll down and click on Device Settings. After that go to System, and right here we have a Tab Operation function, so click on the settings icon. And now decide you wanna use it left one or right one earbud. I wanna use left one, but it's okay with the right one also. Click on the function and choose Voice Assistant function. Then click Done. And now if I will press 2 times on my left earbud, I will call a Google Assistant. So let's test it. Now I press 2 times. Hi Google, how are you? And as you can see it works, and if you press 3 times, you will close it. So now I will press 3 times. Yeah, but it doesn't work with me, but it will work with you. Because I tested before, so it's working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!